Is your GMC Yukon's key fob range decreasing or failing to respond? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money, and only takes a few minutes. This video covers 2021-2025 Yukon, Yukon XL, and Denali models. To replace your GMC Yukon key fob battery, you'll need a few simple tools and materials. First, a CR2032 battery. Choose a quality brand like Energizer or Duracell to prevent leaks. These batteries typically cost between $2 and $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to open the key fob safely. Optionally, needle nose pliers can help with handling small components during the replacement. Step 1. Safely open the key fob. Locate the small notch or seam on the back of the key fob, usually near the physical key blade. Gently insert the screwdriver into the notch and pry the two halves apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Now for step 2. Carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Use the needle nose pliers if needed for a better grip. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the same direction as the old battery. Make sure the battery is seated correctly to avoid any short circuits. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they are securely closed. Make sure they click into place firmly. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure the vehicle responds correctly. Listen for the confirmation sounds or check the lights. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be necessary. Start by cycling the vehicle's ignition. Turn it off, then off again, then on once more. Within 10 seconds of completing the cycle, press the lock button on the fob. This should re-establish the communication between the fob and the vehicle. For 2023 through 2025 models that have received firmware updates, additional steps may be required. Check the My GMC app on your smartphone for specific pairing instructions to ensure proper setup. If you're still having issues after replacing your key fob battery, here are some troubleshooting tips and additional advice. First, if problems persist, double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the CR2032 battery is inserted correctly with the positive side facing up, as incorrect orientation can prevent the fob from working. Cold weather can significantly accelerate battery drain. In extreme conditions, the CR2032 battery may last only 6 to 12 months instead of the typical 1 to 2 years due to reduced chemical efficiency in low temperatures. As an alternative, consider using the My GMC app for digital keys. This allows your smartphone to serve as a keyless entry device, which can reduce reliance on physical fob batteries and provide additional features like remote start. DIY replacement typically saves $60 to $100 compared to dealership service. By handling the battery change yourself, you avoid labor costs while ensuring the job is done correctly. If issues continue after troubleshooting, consult a professional. Persistent problems could indicate issues with the vehicle's receiver or the fob's internal circuitry that require dealership expertise. Remember to always use high-quality CR2032 batteries and handle the fob carefully to prevent corrosion or damage.